Hello, my name is Brian Phelan. I'm with XL Homes. We're a high-end modular division of Champion Homes. I'm standing in front of our Wellfleet model, which started out as a standard house, but we've converted it to a custom because that's who we are. We are a custom builder. So let me take you inside and I'll show you some of the features and benefits that we have in our house. Welcome. Let me show you some of our features that we offer in this house. Take a look at our Craftsman style door. We offer it in a variety of different colors. We offer composite jambs. We offer different styles doorknobs. This is leather lock. We also, for safety feature, we do dip balls on all our front and rear doors. Notice our windows. They're all vinyl clad. Different grid patterns are offered. They come in a variety of colors. Next, I want to point out that the trim around the window, it's 3 1/4 inch trim. Window stools are also standard. Our crown molding is 4 5/8, which is a heavier crown molding than you see in most houses. We also, all our trim work is all in wood, not composite. Therefore, it's going to stand the test of time. Our baseboard is oversized too, 5 1/4 inch. Now our stairwells, we do a variety of packages. We start out with carpet grade stairs. We can go to pine, next to oak. We offer different railing packages. Our railing, this is a square post. We have a round post. We've got white pickets, and we also have metal pickets. Next is our flooring. It's beautiful flooring. It's a vinyl clad flooring made by Shaw. It's waterproof, very durable. Let me show you some other floorings in our houses. This is a set in stone flooring option. For budget-friendly people, this is a lot better than tile, but it does have a nice appearance to it. Next is we have carpet over here. Now we offer a wide variety of carpets. We have different styles, different weights. We also have different paddings and colors. So you have a lot of options. Next, I want to point out this to your stylish door. We offer a wide variety of doors. We have different patterns, different styles, different knobs. And what we also, for safety and for convenience, we offer locks on all our doors going into bathrooms and bedrooms. Now I'm standing in a fully customized XL kitchen. Let's take a look at the island. This is a designer island, oversized, has seating for 6. Notice the pendant lighting. It's all by Seagull. We offer a wide variety of different lighting for your needs. Our appliances. We offer Whirlpool and KitchenAid appliances. You have a variety of colors and styles. Notice the countertops. These are quartz countertops. We do offer granite and Formica countertops. Our backsplash, that's a real tile backsplash. Different grout patterns that we offer, and we offer different colored tile. There again, it's Dell tile. Now our undermount sinks. This just happened to be a farmer's sink, but we do offer a variety of undermount sinks. We offer Kohler faucets. This is an industrial style faucet to kind of give it a different feel. Now, our appliances there again, this is Whirlpool gas stove. We offer KitchenAid. Our range hood is stainless steel, easy to clean, kind of gives you an industrial look. And then you have the industrial shelving above there to display your dishes. Now our cabinets are all Merlite cabinets. If you notice, the drawers, they close very softly because they're soft close. This drawer bank, which we put in all our kitchens, has 4 drawers. There again, soft close. Even our doors are all soft close. Take a look at this pantry cabinet. Look at all the shelves, all the storage space we offer. And if you notice, it's soft close also. But within Merlat, we have a variety of different cabinet styles, different colors, options. These are painted gray cabinets. We offer white and a wide variety of different shades of colors. We also offer stain cabinets. We offer traditional and full overlay cabinets. You have a wealth of variety with our cabinet systems. Let me show you a customized XL bathroom. Start out with the flooring. Our flooring, if you notice, is all tile. We buy from Dale Tile. It also we offer a wide variety of colors, different colored grouts, different size grouts. Next is a customized shower. Now this shower has an accent, has 12 by 24 inch tile, but we offer a wide variety of color in tiles and in styles. You start out at the floor and it's an acrylic pan, but we also offer a mosaic tile pan. Now our vanities, we offer a wide variety of different vanities, different vanity options. We have quartz tops. This has a wave sink in it, which is an undermount. We have color fixtures. And we also offer a lighted mirror on the back. Therefore, that's really nice if you're putting on makeup or want to get close. You can really see things that way. We also offer can lights in our ceilings, which are LED, which will guaranteed to last 10 years. Off the bathroom is a beautiful walk-in closet. We try to add a lot of storage in all our houses. The next feature in this closet is the unique wood shelving. Also, this heavy-duty rail that we install, it gives your clothes someplace to hang. There's a lot of hanger space, but it's also very secure. Now we're in the mudroom. We start out with a 9-light door. There again, flexibility is king. We can change that however you like. We have a nice vanity back here. Has a drop-in deep sink, so you can wash your clothes or whatever you need washed. If you come in, you can wash your hands. You have cabinets above for extra storage. Water heater for your convenience, but it's out of the way, so you have no problem with kids or anybody getting involved with it. We have a nice oak bench seat here. Has a lot of storage capacity, and you have areas to hang umbrellas, coats, places to put your shoes and so forth. Therefore, you're not traipsing all that through the house. What you're seeing today is our custom series from XL Homes. We have over 35,000 different options to choose from. And with that, I just want you to take away that we can build the perfect home, but we're a custom builder. We can build it your way. That's just what we do.